Welcome back to the channel, fellas. In the previous video, we run this car on the track and we noticed that we need some improvement in the handling department. So we bought a complete set of a Hardrace geometry kit on our GR86. So some of these parts are made from the spherical bushing dan ada juga yang made from the hardened bushing. So all of these are adjustable and it's giving us more room to play with the caster, toe dan juga camber. Jadi, some of you guys mesti wondering kan kenapa kita pilih Hardrace. So the Hardrace is made from a very high quality material. It also gives a better handling and give us a more precise steering response lah. Barulah dapat tripod time corner nanti, betul? Now we will be removing all parts yang lama and we will install with our new Hardrace kit. Jadi, go grab your drinks and let's get started. Okay, while we're installing the Hardrace kit behind me, we're also going to show you what we're gonna install. This is a big brake kit, fresh from Japan. Literally just arrived from Japan. We open up the box, we put it on the table and show it to you guys here. This is a special collaboration between Toms and Brembo. A special kit for GR86. The front, we have a 6-spot aluminium monoblock and comes with the 355 diameter drill rotors. Depan belakang sama, cuma yang membezakan ialah depan 6-spot dan belakang ialah 4-pot. Jadi, tanpa buang masa, jom kita layan the installation process. Alright, the installation was a success. We are very happy with the current setup right now. Now we just have to wait for our second shakedown on Sepang track very soon. As usual, our goal is to see and feel how the car handles, and we're gonna make a bit of adjustment if needed, if necessary, before joining MSF Mega Lab Time Attack on this 31st of August.